The name of Ramsey is Peowall. He is an orphan who has been wanderer roaming free with the flow of wind or water. Basically, a homeless enemy protagonist with no plot armor. Until he meet that man, that was the day his life turned upside down like a stripper on the pole, but with lot less fun and a lot more trauma. He opened his eyes from a long slumber and found himself in a total darkness, with no strength left in his body, kind of like waking up after a night of cheap booze and bad decision. He was completely lonely in that place, and to avoid not to go crazy, he kept thinking about himself because who else is gonna care when you trapped in a dungeon? In order to survive, he had to eat moles on the wall. Yeah, fine dining was clearly not on the menu, but at least it was a ghetto. After regaining his strength, he took account of his surrounding and found himself in a room, just like some niggas in my basement. Honestly, the only thing missing was Wi-Fi and depression. He was bitten by a poisonous snake in there. After surviving that situation, he developed a tolerance to poison. He basically became a walking pharmacy. Instead of popping pills, he was popping venom, biting himself with that snake again and again like it was a kinky new hobby. Who knew snakes BDSM was a thing? After a long time, the door opened about the time because if he had to spend another week in there, he would have started naming the rats. He went to check the next room and found a dead person there. Talk about a bad roommate, at least this one did not leave dirty dishes in the sink. He was the only survivor from that block. Congratulations, you win the grand prize. More trauma and trust issues. After grouping with all peoples in there, they moved toward the final area. They found themselves in an underground area with large building there. It was like a dystopian summer camp. Minus there's more fun. After some time he found that why they were thrown into that hellhole. They wanted them to become an assassin. Because obviously when you kidnap bunch of kids your first thought is let's train them to be a murder machine. Parenting once you won, right? That's how his journey begins to become the most powerful assassin in the whole world. Because nothing says character development like watching your friend die in HD or in 4K. He had seen his comrades get killed with his own eyes, basically a live stream snuff film for his mental breakdown. As time passed, the continent turned against him because when you are too good at your job, even your employees start shooting bullets. And as he grew more and more powerful, he killed all those clans and set fire to whole continent to complete his revenge. By the time he was done, the world was burning like an STD after a wild weekend, except there was no cure for the pain he had brought through.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be
I hope you like this video and keep supporting me as you always do, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates.